Legal and system weaponization threats create one of the most paralyzing forms of entrapment. They exploit institutions designed to protect victims of abuse, like police and courts and social services and even professional licensing bodies, by threatening to file false reports that would trigger an investigation. The abuser doesn't actually have to file them in this moment. The threat alone is enough. The idea that those systems could be unleashed against you at any time becomes the punishment. Abusers who use this tactic understand exactly how these systems work. They know that every false allegation must be treated as credible until proven otherwise. The abuser describes to their victim in detail the kind of complaint they could file, the fabricated evidence they could produce, the damage it would cause. They don't need to follow through because they know the threat alone can control you. The power of this threat lies in the consequences it implies. False claims of domestic violence would result in restraining orders, loss of security clearance, and immediate restrictions on seeing your children. Each of these processes carries real damaging outcomes, regardless of whether the allegations collapse later. For men, these threats carry extremely real and damaging weight. Culturally, there is a strong bias towards believing accusations against men in cases of family violence. Men are not only assumed guilty until proven innocent, they are often treated as guilty even after being proven innocent. The accusation itself leaves a permanent mark. Even when threats never materialize into real reports, the possibility alone carries the weight of social judgment. Men know that a cleared investigation does not erase the suspicion and doubt that it seeds. It does not mend the damage with extended family or undo the reputational harm within the community. And the abuser knows this when they make that threat. An abuser who threatens to make false reports understands this cultural reality. They know that once the accusation is out there, the system will act immediately. The community will form judgments quickly, and those judgments rarely fully reverse. That's the real entrapment here. Knowing that the truth may eventually clear you in court of law, but it may never restore what you lose along the way. The truth does not always set you free.